Open the last page of the Quick Start Guide. Scan the QR code to download and install the Mi Home app, or you can find it in your phone app store. Open the app and tap Plus on the upper right. Then tap the top right corner, scan the QR code, add Dreame Robot Vacuum D9.
Waiting for the network setup.
And follow prompts to finish the connection.
The robot and the phone are connected. Please return to the Xiaomi Home app and wait for the network connection to complete. Network connected successfully.